Press the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to never miss another video. So let's begin. Welcome back, my name is Jenny and this is my den. So I have made this small announcement video because today morning I received a Twitter notification on my smartphone. When I opened it, I was shocked as it was about the official leaked image of OnePlus 6. Yes, you heard it right. Guys, the phone has been officially leaked in India before the May 16 global launch event in London. That to no other than the company's CEO Pete Lowe and a renowned Indian actor Amitabh Bachchan, who is also the brand ambassador for OnePlus in India from a long time. The leak happened as Amitabh Bachchan posted a photograph on Twitter where both Pete Lowe and Amitabh Bachchan are seen using the OnePlus 6. As the image confirms that the CEO of OnePlus, Pete Lowe, is using a device which is white in color on the back, as Amitabh Bachchan is using a black variant. As the OnePlus used by Amitabh Bachchan appears to be glossy, in the image it is confirmed that it will have a glass back with wireless charging as well as two cameras at the rear located in center with a fingerprint scanner located right below the cameras. The tweet also showed Amitabh Bachchan taking a selfie from the OnePlus 6 with the CEO and mentioned, "Always a pleasure meeting at the red Pete Lowe and looking forward to attend the OnePlus 6 May 17 launch event." The tweet also mentioned about the OnePlus 6 launch event tickets going live on May 9th, 2018. However, the post was deleted very soon as it started gaining attraction and maybe they realized the mistake. So that's it for today, guys. This news may have hurt OnePlus as it has been trying very hard to keep the phone undercover before its official launch. Please let me know in the comments below about what do you think of this and if you are interested in buying the all new OnePlus 6. Please subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you so much and I'll be back with another interesting video from the tech world. Till then, take care and peace.